Hello 12th class students, how are you all? These days we are studying a roadside stand. Your poem 5 Flamingo Say, written by Robert Frost. Yes, working on this poem we have already enjoyed explanation, figures of speech in my last video, and in this video I am here with those important questions which are asked in board exams frequently. And before going further, I would like to say to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification of my future videos. Also, you can join my WhatsApp group by sending your name, class, roll number and school name on my WhatsApp number 94770735 per, and you can visit our website. So first question which is asked from this lesson is, where was the roadside stand put up and what for? Very important. The owner of the house has built a temporary shed there at the edge of the road. Purpose is to put up a stall. It is a busy road. The cars race along the road all the day. The stall owner expects people to stop and buy something from him. तो इसलिए है ये व्हाट फॉर का भी आंसर हो गया और वेयर का भी हो गया. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से 20 से 30 शब्दों में 2 नंबर का आता है. व्हाट वाज द प्ली ऑफ द फॉक who had put up the roadside stand? The folk who had put up the roadside stand pleaded pathetically for customers. ये ना, यही था ना, प्ली क्या थी उसकी? They wanted to earn some money, to feel some money in hand, to make both ends meet. हमें तो गुजारा करना है. They also wanted to lead a comfortable life like city people. सर में थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखिए. What is the man at the stall waiting for all the day? किस चीज़ की वेट कर रहा है? तो बताइए आप. द पोइट फील्स पिटी फॉर द पुअर मैन हु सिट्स एट द काउंटर ऑल डे वेटिंग फॉर कस्टमर्स. यस, ही वांट्स टू हियर द लाउड नॉइस ऑफ ब्रेक्स. एक्सप्लेनेशन में देखा था आपने. एंड साउंड्स ऑफ स्टॉपिंग कार्स. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ सेल्फिश कार्स ओनर्स ड्राइव पास डेली बट दे डोंट केयर टू स्टॉप देयर एट द रोड साइड स्टैंड. राइट, तो ये आ जाता है इसमें. चाइल्डिश लॉन्गिंग की बात की थी, तो वो क्या थी? Why is it vain? The poet is shocked to see that the pathetic condition of the rural people. He finds that neither the government nor the social service agencies really help them. He has a childish longing that these people had better be killed at one stroke. That will be a permanent end to their प्रॉब्लम्स. ये थी चाइल्डिश लॉन्गिंग. एक बचकानी सी बात उसने कर दी थी जो कि वेन थी. फिफ्थ में देखिए. व्हाट डू द रिच पीपल हु ड्राइव पास्ट द स्टॉल फील अबाउट इट? तो द रिच एंड रिफाइंड पीपल डू नॉट केयर फॉर द स्टैंड. Nobody cares to stop at the stall. If at all someone stops there for a moment, he feels irritated. He complains that the landscape is spoiled by unattractive way in which the building has been painted. People feel that the shed is an ugly spot in that beautiful mountain scene. हमारा तो लैंडस्केप खराब कर दिया. Yes, तो ये एक ब्लॉट है ब्यूटिफिकेशन में. ये मानते हैं. द पोइट सेज दैट 3 cars stop at the roadside stand. Do they come to buy something from the stall owner? तो बताइए. नो, जो भी रुका, they do not come to buy anything. One stops only to find space for backing up and turning around. Another one stops to inquire about the road direction. And a third one stops to ask if he can get petrol there. तो ये लिखिए आप. इसमें यही हुआ था ना, तो ये लिखिए. What does the stand owner represent? What is the attitude of the government? Poet is pained at the callous attitude of the rich. The poor stall owner represents the poor people of the countryside. They do not want to live luxuriously like the rich, but they want to have a better life. But the government is indifferent to their needs. They keep these people backwards. 8th क्वेश्चन में देखिए. What troubles the poet in the poem A Roadside Stand? Very important. A house owner has put up a roadside stand to attract car owners to stop at his stall and buy something for him. But the rich car owners do not pay a little attention to his stall. This callous attitude of the rich towards the poor troubles the poet. ये लिखिए आप इसमें। 9th में देखिए व्हाट वाज इन द न्यूज़, आया था ना ये, तो व्हाट डिड द ग्रीडी गुड डूअर्स, देखिए आप ऑक्सीमोरॉन, बेनिफिशिएंट बीस्ट ऑफ प्रे ऑक्सीमोरॉन, एक्चुअली डू, देयर इज न्यू दैट द लैंड ऑफ दीज पुअर पीपल विल बी बॉट, दे विल बी गिवन जॉब्स, but in fact the businessmen are serving their own purpose, their own interests. They will turn these people into mere wage earners, working in night shifts and sleeping during the day. स्लीपर कितनी अच्छी बात कही थी। 10th में देखिए what middle path should the rich people adopt according to the poet. The poet says that the car owners are rich people. They can adopt a middle path between being miserly and charitable. They must not hoard their money so firmly. They should not ignore the needs of the poor. थीम पर बात कर लेते हैं, आता है मोस्ट ऑफन आता है 5 नंबर का। तो इन दिस पोम रोड साइड स्टैंड रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट कमेंट्स एट द careless attitude of modern people, city people towards the poor villagers. A villager has put up a stand by the side of busy road. He sells simple things in order to earn some money, yes, for his family. All day long cars come and go along the busy highway, but nobody stops there. The rich people are indifferent to the needs of the poor. यहाँ पर उसने उठाया है। So children, these were important questions of 2 marks and 5 marks which can be asked in your final exams. And if you still have any question, feel free to ask me by going to comment section. I am going to reply you for sure. ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस। मैं आ रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन लेकर, क्योंकि इस बार वो भी पूछे जाने हैं। सो यू ऑल आर वंडरफुल पीपल, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।